This is what we would call reverse applique. The petals are actually cut through the background fabric, and you're putting the fabric on the back, which seems a little different. So tell us how do we do this?
Freezer paper is magic. I've decided we're gonna use this size, cut it perfectly on the line. Press the shiny side onto the back of your fabric.
Okay.
So the next thing you're gonna do is cut about 1/2 inch from that circle right there.
Okay.
Doesn't have to be perfect. So you can see she's cut out the center here, but we can't, there's no way you could get this to roll back and give you a nice finished edge.
So I've got to cut slits.
So you're going to cut slits, but you're going to cut them all the way to the edge of the paper. Don't cut through your paper, all the way to the edge.
Wow,
and
here
she's
we
going to
go.
press that back. So this is a little bit bigger. As long as it fits over that, you're going to be good.
Okay, you can see here that I've got the zigzag. Okay, that is fun.
See how easy that is?
That really is.